What's up, guys? Just got home. Got this package delivered. Klein 14-piece apprentice tool set. It says apprentice tool set, but these are the journeyman series lines. Better grips, in my opinion. Except for the strippers, just the regular old basic strippers. And it comes with the tool pouch that nobody likes. But it's a nice addition. It's better than nothing. Never seen anybody actually do an unboxing of one of these tool sets, so I figured I'd just upload a quick one. It's a big waist. And it looks like they just package everything. Pliers one side, drivers on the other. Check that out. Never actually used the blue handled dikes. Always just had the red handled. And it comes with, I believe, a number 4 Phillips, number 2 recessed square driver, cabinet, flathead, and 2 nut drivers, 5/16 and 1/4 inch. So would have hoped for 3/8 over 1/4 inch. Kind of use that more as an electrician. Yeah, that was a quick unboxing. Bought this tool set for my little brother. Give my old hand-me-down tools. And yeah, he needs new tools, so his birthday's coming up. Thanks for watching, guys.